doing the chair train. The chair train. Hey, Tasso. Oh. Uh-oh. You've been abandoned. What happened? There he goes. Going into the heart of the action now. Gonna disturb the game. Start a brawl? Maybe not. And he crashes into the boards. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now you gotta go that way. Go. Hurry up. Go. Tasso and Ite doing teamwork here. And here we got Tasso, Ite, who's this guy here? Okay. There you go, William. Say hi, William. Say hi. Wait for the camera, okay. Okay, speed around. Where you going from? There you go, Jordan over here. Jordan, Ite, William, Tasso. All over here playing a game. Alright, well, we have an injury here. Or is he just tired? I think he's tired. Okay. And we got the other game going on here. It's just pure wildness here. It's lap hockey. You know, we have Coach Steve over here with his team. Getting the goal scorers of the future ready. Okay. There we go. Okay.